Hi everyone, my name's Gaz and I'm here with my son Alfie. I'm going to teach him some basic survival skills out in the wild today.
Let's get to it, Dad.
Whee!
What happens if we run out of water in the wild?
Well, normally we would carry some with us, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Today, bought some water from the shop.
Yeah.
But if we're out in the wild, do you know what we'd have to do?
Get some for that?
Yeah, we could, but you know what? It's dirty, isn't it?
Yeah.
So normally we would boil the water to get rid of all the germs.
What about food?
Well, we would normally carry some food with us, like this here, ration pack food.
Does it taste good?
Not really. So this is called a jet boil.
And you could cut chocolate with it as well.
Yep.
How do we use the jet boil?
Okay, so we put the gas canister on it. Now this is a pot. So we twist that on, make sure it's nice and level. Now what we do is put a load of water in it like this.
Okay.
Enough so we can make a hot drink and a hot meal. Now we've got to turn it on, put the gas on, and we fire it up like this. Whoa, big flame. See there, the flame? So we let that boil.
It looks like it's boiling.
Yeah, it's boiling, it's getting hot. Are you eating the powder from the hot chocolate?
Yeah. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Look, the water's boiled.
Yeah.
Turn that off.
And pour the hot water in. Daddy, can we make a hot chocolate now?
Yeah, we can. Go. So now it's ready.
Put the thing in.
Yep.
Okay guys, I'm gonna make a hot chocolate.
Go on then, put the powder in. We never ever leave rubbish lying around, okay?
Okay.
We always take our rubbish with us.
It's forming.
That's going to be very hot, okay? Give that a little stir. Nice hot stocky.
It tastes good. I wish we had marshmallows on us.
Well, that would be cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Daddy,
Yeah.
what happens if we need a wee or we need a poo?
Dig a hole, depending where we are. Dig a hole, do it in a bag, take it with you.
No! Chicken curry.
Awesome. Although, taste-wise, it's not the best. So what you do is you put the hot water in it, like that. Throw that away, because we don't need that.
Stir it
Stir it
with a spoon.
with a spoon, like that. Look at the food.
It sounds kind of bad.
Do you smell it? That smell.
You don't want to try it?
No.
What?
Smelly.
Tastes like pizza.
I don't want to try any. Daddy, I dare you to try it.
Okay.
Tastes good?
Yeah. Tastes good.
Come on, girls, let's go build a deck. Hello, guys. Don't forget to comment down and hit the bell and like and subscribe. Stay tuned.